A nuisance tripping, it can happen at any time, but obviously as Christmas is coming up and fast approaching, lights being put up and more appliances being plugged in, so therefore it will trip. It's more likely to trip your sockets. So here's what you do if this happens. So we're at the board now. If something has tripped, it will look something a bit like that, which will most probably be your sockets. Sometimes you'll have a split load board, which means you'll have an RCD which is controlling a numerous amount of breakers, and in this case it's just the one which is labelled RCD sockets. So next thing you'll do is you'll go around and you'll unplug everything on that circuit, or unplug everything on your socket circuit, and then after you've done that you'd come back to your board and flick the breaker back on, and if it stays on like so, then that's fine. But then what you want to do is you want to go around and plug each appliance in at a time, and then if it trips on a certain appliance, that means that appliance could be faulty. Also, please note that if your kettle's perfectly working fine, it could be that it gets to a certain temperature, like your washing machine, and when it gets to that certain temperature it could trip the sockets. But there's another problem, which could be a power cut down the road or a power cut in your local area, and in that case you would call 105. So if it's not a power cut and all your appliances seem to be fine and it's still tripping, then please give us a ring.